Ready.
How do you say it?
It's Illuminati's.
Okay. What? Meep. Honk if you're gay. So that's how you spell it. Oh.
Sorry, Peyton.
Thank you. I just wanna see.
Probably a pizza.
Chicago deep dish. First bite.
You did.
I stole Evan's shampoo and poured it in my eye.
Oh my gosh, your eye is red. Looks like a pig eye. Bye, Jasper.
Bye, Jasper. Bye, Keith.
Bye, Keith.
Oh, God. Oh. 57.
Oh my god! No! There's still one left!
I will give you $8 if you take a bite.
Hell no!
They let the potholes grow wild here. Yeah.
Hey, this is Evan, and you're watching.
That was pretty good, actually.
Have to run.
Hello.
Okay. Hello.
What's up, squad?
We're going
ice skating at the Bean.
Who doesn't want-
God dang, they all look good. Literally everyone looks good. Oh, I totally missed it.
Look at a surround shot. Look how beautiful.
A pan.
A Panera bread. Turn the Panera bread, dude. Oh!
Orange, pink, and brown line
How did you
trays
get that
and habits
postcard?
of water.
From a
I paid
gangbanger.
a gangbanger.
This is a green line train.
How much?
63rd and Ashland.
One bang and two gangs. Where did all these balls come from?
It's okay. It's okay.
Back to Fox Edge YouTube channel. I call this the workers' labor strike. That's not bad, right? That's
not bad.
The Red for Ed strike.
Red for Red strike, okay.
That was so funny.
Wait.
Nope, that's not it.
Seems about
Red
as
for Red wasn't successful.
169, baby.
Evan.
169.
Don't choke. It's a choke.
Gift from Evan.
Really?
Drew, happy birthday, dude. The big 19, the big 19. Not quite as cool as 18 or 21, so pretty medium, medium birthday.
It's weird.
I know. I feel like I'm not leaving, but I am.
For the vlog.
Peyton, thoughts?
I'm not thought.
Hey guys, that's about it for the vlog. But I just wanted, oh, your cap's on your arm. I just wanted to get this in there. Whoever thought it was a great idea to have a flight at 7. It's not. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, I don't care. Do whatever you want.
Stop being so grumpy.
Bye. I need food.